complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome Nexo. This is a listening class to hear what we learned in context and reinforce it through several conversations.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to listen and practice.
Vocabulary, transportation, grammar, how questions.
Great, I want to hear these words in real situations.
Perfect. Listen for useful phrases and natural questions with how as we begin the main dialogues. Airport check-in. Good morning. I have a ticket for the plane to London.
Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. How many bags do you have?
I have one bag and one small backpack.
That is fine. How heavy is the bag?
I think it is 15 kilos.
Yes, it is okay. Your gate is B12.
Thank you. How do I get to gate B12?
Go straight and turn left after security.
Buying a train ticket. Hello, I need a train ticket to Brighton.
Hello. One way or return?
Return, please. How much is it?
It is £12.
Here is the money. How long is the trip?
It is about 40 minutes by train.
Thank you. How do I get to platform 3?
Go through the doors and turn right.
Is the train on time?
Yes, it leaves in 10 minutes.
Bike repair. Hi, my bike has a flat tire.
Hi, let me look at it.
Can you fix it today?
Yes. How old is the tire?
It is about 2 years old.
Okay, you need a new tube, not a new tire.
How much is a new tube?
It is $8 with the work.
Great. How long does it take?
About 20 minutes. You can wait here.
First day at the office. Good morning. I am new here.
Good morning. Welcome. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. I am here for the sales team.
Great. What is your name, please?
My name is Laura Smith.
Thank you. The sales team is on the 3rd floor.
How do I get to the elevators?
Go straight. They are on your left.
Thank you. Is my car okay in the visitor parking area?
Yes. Your car is fine there for the day.
At a restaurant.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, please. How much is the soup?
It is $5.
Okay. I would like the soup and a salad.
Of course. What would you like to drink?
Water, please. How big is the salad?
It is medium size, not small.
That is perfect. Thank you.
Your food will be ready soon.
Great. How long does it take?
About 10 minutes.
Boat tour tickets. Hello. Is there a boat tour today?
Yes. There is a tour at 2 o'clock.
How long is the tour?
It is 1 hour.
How much is one ticket?
One ticket is $15.
I would like one ticket, please.
Here you are. The boat leaves from dock 4.
Thank you. How do I get to dock 4?
Walk straight. Then turn left at the blue sign.
Good work, Nexo. These real dialogues help us hear English in useful daily moments.
Yes, I noticed words for transportation and many simple how questions.
Exactly. Listening in context makes the words and grammar easier to remember.
I feel more confident now.
Wonderful. Goodbye, Nexo, and goodbye to everyone watching.